support and resistance is not a single line, it is a zone. So we can say the market took some support around 4860. So you can see the price then pushed up, it went till 4960. We had marked this as a resistance. So till 4960 the price went up and it took the resistance, then it gave a complete retracement of all the gains it made during that whole trading session. Then it came down and closed near the zone where it opened. So it is, we can say there was some buying momentum, but it was always again in the later session the market lost all its profit and it is a neutral market. Now let us go back and see what's happening in the international market, NYMEX, so that we will get some clear idea about how we can proceed for today. And you can see the same, this is the same 1 hour chart. This zone you can see the data and time below. This zone the marks the price opening. From that the market got some momentum on October 10th. So that pushed the market till 93.6. What does this what is this 93.6? This 93.6 is a very major zone. Just to follow this line, so this 93.6, you can see the market tested this 93.6 on September 21st and there is a failure. Again this you can see this is the zone where 93.6, you can see that the market took sorry, here you don't have this picture. Let us move this and let us find 93. You can see this line 93.6. So this 93, you can drag and see the importance of this 93.6. It has acted as a very major support and resistance for a long time. The market found a lot of supports and resistance in this zone. So this zone is a very crucial zone. So you can see the 93.6 is playing a very crucial zone. So that is one of the major reason. You can see it took the resistance here and the price dropped. Again it tried to test this 93.6, it dropped. So here whenever the price rises, it tested this 93.6. so that is the reason why the price took the strong resistance here and the price fell down. So it came down till $91. Now it is showing some consolidation. So after the price closing in the MCX, so what we can do today is that we have drawn a trend line also by connecting a few lows to indicate the trend, and the price is staying just below the trend line. So we, as you all know, we have two lines. The average lines, it indicates the market trend. We have converted this average into channels so that it can guide us. So what we can do in crude oil. So this is a very crucial zone, because whenever the price is trading within this channel, it indicates there are a lot of possibilities for trend reversal, but there will be a huge consolidation within this zone. So till 90.6, this lower band till 90.6, you can expect the market to stay in uptrend. The 90.6 is also a very good support. Even we can say till 90.2 you can expect the market to stay in uptrend. So if the price breaks 90.2 and if there is any closing below 90.2, the market will reverse its trend, because for the last 2 days it was maintaining an uptrend. Till now we can say the price has got a good momentum for buying. But you see this point 91.6, this zone the market took the resistance on October 5th and fell down. Again yesterday the market took some support here and went up. So the market should clear 91.6 very clearly, so that like how it happened here, the market should break 91.6 very clearly, so that it can gain some buying momentum. So if it is not going to happen, if the market failed to break 91.6, it should be supported at 90.6 at this zone. If both the things are not going to happen, then it is going to be a failure in the trend. The last 2 days the market tried to be in the upside. Again you can expect the market to fall down freely. So these are our expectations. Let us see what does that means in MCX. In MCX you can see the price today it is expected to open more or less near the same zone where it closed yesterday. It is subject to changes based upon the currency factor also. Let us say that it is likely to open around 480.6. So in and around this zone you can expect the market to open. So till 4,800 you can go for a buying. What does that means is that you can, if you remember that we are targeting the price is at 91.3, and till $90.2 we can expect the market to stay in uptrend, which means that we are giving 50 points buffer. If a $1 gain in international market can provide us 40 to 50 points gain in MCX. So in that, having that into calculation, we are providing some buffer and we are taking as a 4,800 as a zone. So it is supported by the moving average, it is supported by the channels, downchain channels. So we thought that it is so till you can, if you are conservative, you can say that till 4,820 you can try it. But to have some buffer based upon the currency values, you can say till 4,800 you can go for a buying. Below that the market is likely to take reverse its price direction. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Today you have crude oil inventory report also. So let us see that how the inventory report is also going to support us for trading. So happy trading, take care, bye.